Hey guys, welcome back to Resin Bell. This month on Resin Bell, we're going to be doing 30 pours in 30 days. Oh my gosh. A resin on a resin channel? Shocking. I know, right? So we're going to be working with UV resin, epoxy resin. We're going to be doing dirty pours, coasters, jewelry, trays, all kinds of different things. So it's going to get wild. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on a resin tray, and I have already kind of prepared this tray. This is actually one I picked up at a thrift store. It's just a little wood tray, and I painted the background white because I really want my resin to pop. And then these are little wood slices that I picked up from the Dollar Tree I don't know, months ago, and I bought every one they had because I could just see that they were going to be so useful. So yeah, I went through and picked out ones that would fit together to fit in this tray. It took me a little bit because some were bigger and smaller, and so yeah, I got them to all fit down in there. So I've got that. I've got some pipettes. I've got some Counterculture DIY dispersion colors in Tsunami and White Snow. And I will also be using CCDIY's Artist Resin, so I'm going to be mixing some of that up and adding the dispersion color. Okay, so I've got some of the Counterculture DIY Artist Resin mixed up here, and I have their dispersion colors in Tsunami and Snow White and White Snow. And I'm going to mix these together outside of the mixing cup because these can be very, very strong, and they can go completely thick, like really quick. So you just want to add a little bit. I want a kind of translucent, and these mix very opaque. So I'm going to mix them and just add very little bits as I go. Well, it literally only takes like a drop or two. That's way too much, but we'll try that and see what happens. You see how quickly that colored, and I didn't have hardly any on that stick, so I'll grab my pipettes. Okay, so I actually have two pipettes, and that's so that one can be soaking, because it takes a minute for the resin to come up inside of the pipette. So one can be loading while I'm emptying the other one. So I love how this little tray turned out. It's exactly what I was hoping for. I love the colors. I love the wood slices. It's just so cute. It's going to make a great candle tray to put my candles on. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I will see you in tomorrow's project video. Bye!